In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Sheets to dark mode in just a few minutes. Switching to dark mode can be easier on your eyes, particularly when you're working late and need a break from bright screens. Let's jump right into the process. First, you'll want to open the Chrome Web Store. This is where we'll find the necessary extension to change our Google Sheets interface to dark mode. Open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store by entering the phrase into your search bar. Or simply Google it if it's more convenient for you. Once there, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top left corner of the page. Here you'll type Dark Mode Night Eye. After you've hit enter, you'll see a list of extensions. These are essentially small software programs that customize your browsing experience by adding new features to your browser. From the list of results, look for Dark Mode Night Eye. It's a reliable extension commonly used for applying dark themes across different web pages, including Google Sheets. With the extension in view, your next step is to add it to your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking the blue button labeled Add to Chrome, situated next to the extension's name. A pop-up window will appear, asking for your confirmation to add the extension. Simply click Add Extension, and the installation process will begin. This typically takes just a moment. Once the installation is complete, you will want to access the extension easily each time you need it. Which brings us to pinning it to your browser. You'll find the new Night Eye icon in the Extensions section, which you can access by clicking on the puzzle piece icon in the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, find Night Eye and click on the pin icon right next to it. This ensures the extension's icon is always visible on your toolbar, making it quick and easy to toggle the dark mode on and off. Now, to see your new dark mode in action, open any Google Sheet file. If everything went smoothly, you should see the standard bright interface now transformed into a sleek, dark theme. This new look can help reduce eye strain and make the spreadsheet easier to work with, especially during nighttime hours or in low-light environments. And that's it! Within just a short span of time, you've successfully transformed your Google Sheets experience. Remember, you can always toggle the extension off if you ever need to revert back to the original look or make further adjustments. Thanks for joining us today. Happy spreadsheeting!